Om Shanti. Power of accommodation. Bab Dada says, no matter how much external upheaval there may be, if you are told to stop in 1 second, you should be able to merge all expansion in 1 second. Baba say, you need to practice a great deal, merging your nature, sanskars, thoughts and relationships in 1 second. Your sanskars should not merge under any circumstances, in hunger or thirst, winter or summer. Even nature can deceive you at certain times. Therefore, merge all your nature, thoughts and sanskars. This is known as having the power to accommodate. Baba says, constantly keep on practicing this. Only when you have this practice over a long period of time will you be able to pass. Baba say, you have to imbibe 4 powers. In fact, it is one and the same godly power, but it is said to be 4 powers. They are the power to pack up, that is, the power to make something short. Second is the power to accommodate. Third is the power to tolerate. And fourth is the power to confront. But whom do you have to confront? Baba says, not Bab Dada or the divine family, but the power to confront the power of Maya. If you imbibe all these 4 powers, you will be able to remain completely and eternally surrendered. It is said, keep everything short and also sort out everything. I have to think this, and not that. I have to become this, and not this. Continue to sort out everything and then make everything as short as possible. If whatever you say in 10 words is made short, then its essence can be said in 2 words. Then, by making it short in this way, everything will become short. Om Shanti.